Too easy.
Yeah, we've had a fantastic morning here at the Marina School. I've been very, very impressed with the enthusiasm, the dedication and the energy of the students on a cold, snowy Saturday morning here in Moscow. The students all did very well. They worked hard. It was a 2.5-hour test, so it was good to see that they still had a spark of life in them at the end of the day. It was also fantastic to get to know some of their teachers as well and to learn from them about the enthusiasm they have for development and for learning that was evident to all of us here today. Cambridge Education Group is always proud to work with Intellectual. We found this Olympiad to be one of the best organised that we've experienced. We've helped to take part in Olympiads around the world, but this one here in Moscow, this is the second part of the Olympiad, I feel has been very, very well organised. The host Marina School, they have a fabulous building here, some excellent teaching staff, and so it has been a really, really fascinating experience for us. Cambridge Education Group is looking forward to the next round of the Olympiad, and we're very much looking forward to welcoming the winning student onto one of our programmes in Cambridge or in Canterbury this summer.